Guys, we're here. What's in my bag? Good morning, everyone. So, ayan. I'm here with Liam. Nakikita nyo, terno kami. Kasi nasa Kalibo Aklan kami actually today. We're gonna attend the Grand Ati-Atihan. Yung inatenan natin noong 2018. And after this, tomorrow we will go to Boracay na. I wanna vlog this kasi na-miss ko to yung Grand Ati-Atihan. Last kong attend dito 2018 pa.
Your hair looks longer than last June. There's so much I've been dying to know about you. But we've been distant. Is it too soon to call pretending it's to ask you what's new? And I hope we haven't lost our way, 'cause it feels that way to me. But I know that when I see you, oh, I never wanna leave. So don't be so mad. I know that it's easier said than done, and it feels like it's hopeless. I'm begging you, please hold on. Maybe the reason.
Hi guys! Andito lang kami sa Jetty Fort. I'm here with Luis. Boarding na kami. Boarding sa speedboat. Let's go! Punta na kami Boracay. I'm really looking forward to this. Sobrang pagod kahapon. Hindi na ako nag-vlog. Like, kahit sa mismong ati-atihan, hindi na ako nag-vlog. Pati nung kinagabihan. I'm recharged.
I'm sorry, you know I never meant to. Hope we haven't lost our way, 'cause it feels that way to me. But I know that when I see you, oh, I never wanna leave. So don't be so mad. I know that it's easier said than done, and it feels like it's hopeless.
Grabe! Andito na kami sa roof, tapos may paganyan. Anong sabi? Happy anniversary, Liam and Cedrics. Your love story is a beautiful reminder that true love grows deeper with time. May the years ahead bring you even more laughter, understanding, cherished moments together. Happy anniversary! May paganyan! Nagulat ako! Sinibog niya agad. Baka decorative lang.
Quiet place lang.
Ayan, dito na kami sa room. Ayan, bigyan ko kayo ng room tour. Ayan, kapasok nyo. Ayan, we have a spare bed. Tapos yung malaking bed doon. The CR is nice. Hello. Tapos meron pa silang welcome bracelet. Ay, first time ko dito sa Mandarin Nest. Nice. Hey guys, nasa vlog cam na tayo. Kasama na natin yung family ni Luis. Ayan sila. Eat lang kami ng lunch here sa Hakuna Matata. Nire-reco to lagi sa TikTok. Dito lang siya sa ilalim ng Mandarin Nest din. We're gonna eat lunch, take pictures, tapos larga-larga na the whole day. Mga tamo. Ganda ng Boracay. Guys, we're here. Yes. Pipicture muna kami. Actually, picture na kami. Picture na kami. Upo ka muna dyan. Pwede tayo dito. Itong umbrella na white. Mga pang junk journal. Okay. Gawa tayo ng what's in my bag. Tadam! Kasi ang daming laman ng bag ko. Yung book, The Housemaid, siya magbabasa. Gusto niya kasing basahin tong The Housemaid. So, next of course, ako din. May babasahin, The Housemaid. And The House May Secret, the second book. I have my good quality cam. This is the Ricoh GR. Nasa lowbat siya. Hindi ko pala siya na-charge. My sunglasses. Yun siya. My Polaroid camera. Yan. Ngayon ko lang nagamit to kasi nang tagal na siya sa akin. Disposable film cam. Essentials pouch. Power bank. AirPods. And lastly, portable fan. Pero parang hindi naman need kasi medyo mahangin-hangin naman pala. Bigyan kaming cold water. Thank you, Mandarin Nest. I love it.
Same black van since 21. Same old bands and the same old songs. With a tendency to act on a half-baked thought.
Ganap si Liam nung masarap na matcha and isa to sa mga nire-reco nila nandito sa may Fiesta Souvenir Cafe. Let's go! Mission abort kasi madaming tao doon sa matcha place. Sa ibang araw na lang namin ito try. Just walking by the beach side. And grabe, tingnan nyo yung tao. Ang daming tao.
30 feels like 17. And I just might be evergreen, evergreen. 'Cause I grew up, I don't feel any older, and I found love, but it's hard to get to know her, and I still have dreams that keep me up at night. Maybe one day I'll get the chip off of my shoulder, 'cause I'll always be the youngest of my brothers, and I'm still learning one day at a time how to be young for my whole life.
It's much later. Nakapaglipot na kami. Wala kami nahanap na kakainan ng dinner. So, we grab Halo Mango. Sabi ni Liam, sikat daw to. So, we're gonna try. Yan lang. Hindi na ako marunong mag-vlog guys. Sorry. I'm gonna try. Pero, syempre, ang pang-junk journal natin, secured. Sarap. So siya. Ngayon kay Liam. I really wanna swim. Gusto ko mag-swimming. Yun lang gusto ko. Ayun na nga sinasabi ko. Order kaming... Ito na yung dinner namin. Kasi maaga pa kami bukas. Pero magsiswim muna kami. Ay! Sabi ako. Dumating na yung food. We ordered fish and chips. Tsaka dynamite. Ayan, mga tamo. Hi all. Ayan, good evening. Natapos na ako maligo and Liam is taking a shower right now. I don't know kung makaka-copyright ako sa pinapatugtog niya pero nag-ayos lang ako ng gamit kasi maaga kami tomorrow. So, nag-ayos lang akong gamit eh. Daming gamit. Pina-prepare ko na yung mga outfit ko. Ito pang afternoon ko to after ng yacht party namin kasi we actually booked a yacht party tomorrow. So, naguguluhan na ako. Naguguluhan na ako sa mga pangyayari pero okay lang. Let's go.
Greek spaghetti.
Good morning. Breakfast lang kami. Ang aga kasi nung parang party So, mga tamo. Tingnan nyo. Breakfast with this view. Amazing.
Started off dirty talk. We were innocent in 06, blooming and alone. You came on gradual, sending every signal so I'd flip open my phone, giving in to get to know you just a little more.
Hindi ko alam ano i-expect. First time ko mag-party at dito. Red Whale. Sabi ko mag-party. Hindi pala chill!
Hello! Come on, guys.
Get a little bored, kiss me through the phone if you want. Can blow me up, we could call it love. That ain't what it was. Put you in a trend, you
So ayun, a few hours has passed na nandito pa din kami. Ngayon nag-stop kami dito kasi mag-snorkeling. Sila Liam nandun na sila. Naiwan na ako. Gusto ko na din lumay. Huwag sa malalim, nak, ha? Napadulas tayo din, no?
Labi ba catch mo to?
Wait. May to.
Baka mabukpok sila eh.
Ayan. Tagabantay kami ng anak. Swim well. Maganda dito, unleaf drinks. Wow. Ay, slide. Yacht party. Ang tahimik naman dito kung meron lang silong. Medyo mainit. Mainit. Next activity, kayak. Kami, kita.
Heard a rumor set me off. Turns out you were not the person that you said you were. We got in the middle, little more with every word. Every version of your image too good to ignore. So
Di ba? Naka-video ka din.
Salamat, ah.
Uy! Nagsup sa ilalim.
Diba, diretso lang?
Ganyan din talaga sa
Hindi
akin.
talaga. Sundan talaga tayo na pupunta kanina.
kiss me through the phone if you want. You can blow me up. We could call it love. That ain't what it was. Put you in a trend. You were evergreen, autumn red. Used to call it love. That ain't what it was.
Ending, nag-swimming din kami. Diyos ko si Liam, di ko nalamasan. Ay, ito na.
May nagdadaan.
Kaya dinadrag niya ako pababa. Vlog. Iwan na tayo.
Late na naman tayo, Diyos.
Lagi na lang. Parang mas mabilis pag ganyan. Super tawa-tawa. Go guys, kaya niyan.
Oh my God, yung halos mo.
May pakulo pa silang water gun. Hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari, pero worth it naman pala itong party, ah.
Kiss me through the phone if you want. You can blow me up. We could call it love. That ain't what it was. Put you in a trend. You were evergreen, autumn red. Used to call it love, but it never was what it was. What it was.
It's our last night and nagpo-food crawl kami dito sa D-Mall. Nagte-take out na lang kami ng mga food. Dragon crepes. Nagpo-puno na yung dessert. Nagpa-take out na kami ng pasta, ng chili cheese fries, and maghahanap pa kami dito yung mga recos sa TikTok. Ay, ayun na siya. Ginagawa na siya. Cream, oh.
Wala nang sinabi Oreo kasi sabi lang cookie.
Wow. Love it. Okay na. Next stop, Mango Mama. Ayan, para kay Liam. Kasi akin daw to apparently. Ayan na. The Mango Mama. A verdict.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Mas masarap sa ano? Sa ube.
Ube. Favorite ko yung ube mama kasi. Eh, itong Mango Mama parang wala to sa LU. So,
Kasi puto bongbong.
puto bongbong nga ata yung nasa ilalim eh.
Masarap. Ito black rice. But hindi siya lasang.
Ay,
Try mo with latte.
parang ano, yung pakanin. Wait, may hahanapin pa kami. BRB. Next stop, falafel. Ito, masarap daw dito. Ito yung falafel. It's good. Tapos punong-puno siya ng ano, laman. Halatang hindi tinipid. Alam mo yung mga review sa TikTok.
Pinipilahan.
Pinipilahan.
Ito trending.
Hindi tinipid sa ingredients. And here kami nag-take out. Jammers. Okay po. Oh! Okay po. Haul. Haul ko lang yung food namin. Kaya, sabi kasi namin, di ba, food crawl, tapos take out. Hindi na nakakaabot ng kwarto yung mga pinagkakain namin kanina. Wow! Cheese quesadilla. Di mainit-init pa. I love it. Wow! Chili cheese fries. Carbonara. Mangantamu. Woo! Okay. Kain muna kami. Habang nanonood ng Vanilla Maze. Hey guys, good morning. So, ayan. Nagtitingin na lang kami ng mga pangpasalubong namin. And we just bought wind chimes dun sa store na yun. Sobrang ganda ng wind chimes na and very affordable actually. Ina-expect ko na sobrang mahal. Pero hindi naman pala. Ay, ang cute. Cute ng mga pen holder. Oh. May free name to ate. 24150. Maliit. Yung gantong design natin. Sige, tsaka ito. Super nakakita pa. Hi, bebe. Mukha kang taga-isla na talaga. Try lang namin tong Jonas fruit shake. Kasi sikat to, di ba? Pauwi na kami. Let's go. Ayan. Bali sila Luis, yung mga kasama namin, naiwan pa sila, nag-extend kasi sila. Bali magkakaroon pa sila ng mini family reunion dito sa Boracay. Yung mga family nila sa Kalibo pupunta dito. Kami, dito namin uwi. Kasi madami pang trabaho.